Well, as we continue to focus on the impact of the coronavirus, a number of companies have been issuing different strategies. While the manufacturing sector has taken a hit in the process, affecting its dependents. Our business reporter Noah Kipkemboi now joins us for some more updates.
Very good afternoon to you, Abi. We are at an assembly plant, and for Honda to be specific, so we have to wear these masks to protect us from the dust, but at the same time also just to make sure that, you know, the breathing is clean and proper. And right now we want to address the manufacturing sector. It is one of the key sectors for this government, saying that it's intending to grow the manufacturing sector to contribute close to 15% to the GDP by the year 2022. But with the coronavirus outbreak across the globe, this global market, how has it affected the manufacturing sector in Kenya? And right now, I'm joined by Dr. Isaac Kalua, who is the chair of Honda Kenya, to help us put into perspective how this has affected manufacturing sector. Sir, you are in the assembly, we are in the assembly of Honda. You import parts to assemble and dish out products. How has coronavirus outbreak affected your processes, your business so far?
Allow me to, first of all, give hope, and also as I sympathize with those who have been affected by coronavirus directly, either through their members of family and even as Kenyans, because everyone who is affected, it affects us. The importation of our products, the complete knockdown kit, has definitely been affected because the effect of coronavirus is global. And therefore, we get these parts from different parts of the world, and therefore there is a slowdown in some of the countries where there is a complete lockdown. We are affected. What we have been able to do is to give clear instructions to our suppliers in Japan and in different parts of the world so that they disinfect the products. We have also adjusted our orders so that we are more ahead in terms of what we require, so that what we were going to use right now, it is brought forward, and therefore it's definitely affecting our cash flow because we have to reorganize the business in one way or another. How we order, we also have to produce so that the storage is well prepared ahead of time so that we don't have lack of the product. So we are definitely affected. But the good thing about all this, Honda has deliberately started on localization. We have already started doing parts for motorcycles locally.
Let me come to the spiral effect. You deal with border riders. Some counties are really concerned in terms of safety. As a player in this industry, are you also concerned about the people who are in a different down the chain people?
We as Honda are definitely concerned about down the chain because it would be meaningless to produce products that are going to be a hazard to the nation. And therefore we are very concerned, and therefore we are working towards guiding the Boda Association. As you know, we offer all association members available to work and partner with the government to know where each motorcycle is, and therefore also the safety of each rider. And we are encouraging alternative business so that in the time that people are not traveling, the border riders, Kenyans can have trust with them, and they can send them to places, they can work with them on deliveries, so that there is a way that we are keeping the social distance that is required.
And briefly, just as we finish, the issue of financing. We've seen the banks being a key role in this sector and playing a key role in the down the chain people, border operators. Are you concerned about their operations, especially now that business is very low?
We are happy that the banks have come down in some of the interests and they are keen in supporting the process. But the microfinances are messing up. And we call upon to them not to increase, because that is what they are currently doing. Increasing deposits, increasing maybe imagining that there is a risk. But it is safest actually with the common mwananchi, with what they are giving, and therefore we should be able to protect them and the jobs, because that is equals to protecting the nation.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so there you have it. The manufacturing sector adversely affected, but there is hope. But the long-term effect and the long-term cushion to this is making sure that we're boosting our local manufacturing in the country to make sure that in case of such a situation, we are not experiencing breakdown on inputs because we can still produce these parts internally. Over to you, Abi.
Well, many thanks there. Noah Kipkemboi just painting